Whoa. Nico, good to see you.
You too. How are you, Mr. Gravelli?
Good, good. I was just speaking to our mutual friend about you. He said how efficient you were. I like that. Then he mentioned something about a Darko Brevic.
What? He did?
Yeah, he's located the guy. It seems he wasn't in Switzerland at all, but in Bucharest. He'll be here soon.
Good, good.
And it seems your Russian friends are getting the message. Some of them.
Oh, okay, so...
I think it's our turn to do a favor for that mutual friend of ours. Seems some Korean has come into the country and is selling money at a discount. You don't need me to tell you that it's all fugazi. Faker than a pair of Vinewood tits.
That's good.
Listen, I need you to deal with this. Eliminate the guy. What he's doing is no good for the economy and no good for patriots like you and me.
So who is he?
His name is Kim Young-guk. He'll be very well protected. He eats at Mr. Fook. Fuck.
Mr. Gravelli, are you all right?
Yeah. I'm fine. Wait. What was I saying?
Kim Young-guk, he eats at...
Yeah, right. He eats at a restaurant called Mr. Fook's Rice Box. Yeah, in Alderney City.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it.
Yo, what's going on everybody? Kazam says it here, bringing back some more Grand Theft Auto 4 main story missions gameplay. This is the mission called Dining Out, and of course you gotta go and kill the Korean guy who's currently eating out at this restaurant, so know where your target is. So that's all the good stuff. So just head over to the restaurant and into this restaurant, which you can't normally get in, by the way. So this is the only chance we could get into this restaurant. So here we go. Let's walk to the restaurant through the front door.
Where is Kim?
He's upstairs, speaking with the manager. They don't want to see nobody, though.
Kim and I are old friends.
Kim got a lot of money. He don't need no friends. Get lost!
Okay, there you go. So just get lost and look for Kim in his office. So of course, pretty angry, wants you to leave, and look at that, he just eyeballing you. So, why shall I be friendly?
You have exactly 5 fucking seconds to disappear, okay?
So there you go. A shootout begins. Just take good cover with these guys. I'll just take out all the guys that I could see shooting at me before advancing on. That's always a smart thing to do. Checking back. Oh, here we go. More guys just came out. Where is he? Come on. Oh, reload quick. Oh, yes. Asshole. There you go. Another one. Oh. There's no more dudes here. Oh, yes, there is. Oh, he's dead. Just to make sure he dies. Okay, moving on.
If you play
Hello,
stupid,
Kim.
You're not going to live very long. Where's Kim?
Where is he?
He heard you come. He run out back through the kitchen.
Don't let Kim escape. Okay, now I'll try to see as soon as you get out the office. More dudes are there. Oh, dude. Oh, behind the door. Can I get it? Oh yes. Now this kitchen door opens. That's a hint for you to go of where to go next. Oh dude, don't shoot me from there. Oh, there he is. Can't go that way.
Fucking barbarian.
Health pack there if you need it. There it is. Just climb down the ladder as supposed to be. Okay, now he gets to the car. So there's a bike next door. Of course, the ideal thing is to get onto the bike and chase him down. But I just hate bikes in this game. Just check this out. I mean, so frustrating. But still, so I thought, forget using a bike. Just gotta get this truck that's out here. Otherwise, I'll just keep falling. Rather get onto the car and do a proper car chase. So here we go. Hope that car is not gonna go that fast, which is not. You can still see on the map. Good stuff. Got police attention for stealing a car. And switch out the machine gun and just do a drive-by. Shoot out the driver, that's always the main thing. And I did that and he died. And there's my reward. Okay, there you go, that's it. Sam says it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm out. Peace.
Tell me that Kim Young-Gook isn't devaluing our precious currency anymore.
He's passed his last false bill, Mr. Gravelli.
Well done, my boy. This is gonna be a fruitful partnership for us both.